In today's video, I want to teach you how to fake a holiday in Photoshop in 4 easy steps. This is gonna be super useful if you want to prank your friends or make a vision board or for any reason that you have. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Select yourself. The easiest way is using Quick Selection tool and select subject. Step 2. Move yourself over the desired place. But first, you have to take a look and see where is the horizontal line. In my case, the line is where the neck is. And now, with the Move tool, you can move it over the other photo. Make sure the horizontal line of the place is where you spotted the horizontal line in your photo. In my case, my neck. This is my trick to look like I fit in the place. Not sure if it's the best, but that's the advice I can give you. Step 3. Match the colors. Go to Layers, New Adjustment Layer, Curves, and now click right, Create Clipping Mask. Hold Alt on your keyboard and Auto. Check Find Dark and Light Colors. For shadow color, choose the darkest spot of your photo. For highlight color, choose the lightest spot of your photo. This step makes a huge difference. Leave a comment with easy if you find this tutorial easy to follow. Step 4. Take care of the details. First, choose the background layer and go to Filters, Blur, Lens Blur. Decide what adjustments would you like for your background. Next, with the Erase tool, remove around your body so you can seem like you belong to the place. I use Soft Brush. These things in the last step are not mandatory for everyone, only if your photos need these adjustments. A last thing I will do will be to make some image adjustments like brightness, contrast, vibrance. If you are looking for similar tutorials, I recommend you how to Photoshop yourself with a celebrity, and for a variety of Photoshop tutorials, check my channel. And if you like what you see, subscribe with the notification bell so you won't miss anything.